Let's draw a mischievous monkey. First, draw a round head. Brown. Good! Draw the monkey's mouth so it can laugh. Black. Excellent! Now, let's draw the monkey's face. Brown. And also, draw a funny tuft of hair. Beautiful! Now, draw the ears, one after the other. Amazing! Draw the monkey's body, a small oval. Let's draw an arm. And a hand. Excellent! And the other arm. And a hand there, too. Good! Now draw a leg and foot. Beautiful! You need to draw another leg and foot. What a funny monkey you've drawn! Watch your funny monkey eat a banana.